Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the pad model and available parts. This matters because replacement parts differ. Once done, check firmware and charge to at least 20% or plug into a stable 5V supply. Make sure the stylus has a fresh battery or is paired, and visually inspect connector pins, cable ends, and the nib for grime. Clean with isopropyl cotton swabs. This first pass isolates common faults quickly, so you don't waste time swapping parts unnecessarily. Now diagnose by connecting the pad to another computer. This tells you if drivers cause the issue. If drivers are suspected, uninstall, reboot, then install the latest driver or the manufacturer's utility and run calibration. Once done, power off and open the back panel carefully. Use an anti-static wrist strap, then reseat ribbon cables and inspect solder joints under light. If a loose connector is found, press gently to reseat, and if corrosion exists, clean with isopropyl and finish by reassembling the pad, power it up, and run the full calibration routine. This aligns touch coordinates and pressure. Make sure to test pen pressure and tilt in your drawing app. If odd behavior persists, replace nibs or the cable only after confirming faults. If the pad is still unresponsive, backup settings, perform a factory reset, and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if the device intermittently works, wiggle the cable gently while monitoring. Intermittent failures usually mean a bad cable or loose solder joint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.